Woodworking is no longer just about skill and experience. Today, smart tools are changing the way people build, cut, and create. From precision gadgets, idawalan futuristic machines, these 12 genius woodworking tools can save time, improve accuracy, and transform your workshop forever. Number 12. Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator. A clogged vacuum can slow every project. The Oneida Dust Deputy 2.5 fixes that before it becomes a problem. Its Cyclone system removes up to 99% of dust and wood chips before they reach your shop vacuum. That means stronger suction for longer, less filter cleaning, fewer replacement bags, more time building. It fits 2.5-inch shop vacuum hose and has a greater airflow than smaller Cyclone separators. It fits most wet/dry vacuums and is easy to install. The workspace remains clean, whether you're sanding, routing, or cutting, and the vacuum works like a brand new vacuum cleaner. Sometimes the best improvement isn't a new tool. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't a new tool. It's making every tool work better. Number 11. Woodpeckers Precision Square. Designing perfect cuts begins with perfect measurements. The Woodpeckers. Precision Square designed for woodworkers who demand accuracy. Its robust stainless steel center is manufactured with very close tolerances, constructed for consistent, repeatable measurements each time. The ultra-thin blade sits flat against the wood for clearer marking. Its unique sawtooth scribing guide works with pencils, markers, and even pens. No special marking tools needed. They come in 6, 12, 18, and 26-inch sizes, depending on the project. It is well suited for layouts, joinery, and straight checking 90 degrees. When every cut counts, this precision square helps you get it right the first time. Number 10. Wolfcraft T-Square. Wolfcraft T-Square Precision made simple. The Wolfcraft T-Square is built for accurate plasterboard cutting and marking. Its adjustable angle stop allows precise cuts from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. The integrated scale helps create clean, accurate markings every time. Constructed of corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum for long-lasting use, guided cuts are faster and easier with the included parallel and strip cutter. Can accommodate parallel cuts up to 970 millimeters max wide with a cutting length of 1000 millimeters for drywall installation, remodeling, and renovation. One tool, multiple functions, designed to save time, improve accuracy, and deliver cleaner results on every project. Number 9. Kreg Drill Guide Pro Drill Press Accuracy. Anywhere you need it. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro turns your regular drill into a precision drilling tool. It works with most drills, featuring a 3/8-inch chuck. Create accurate holes from 90 degrees to 45 degrees angles in both directions. Built-in stops make repeat drilling faster and easier. The self-centering base keeps holes perfectly aligned on narrow boards. A built-in V-groove securely holds round materials like pipes and dowels. Non-slip feet add stability and protect your work surface. The dust collection adapter helps keep your workspace cleaner, compact, portable, precise. A smart upgrade for furniture building, DIY projects, and workshop tasks. Number 8. JessEm ClearCut STS Safer Cuts. Smoother results. The JessEm ClearCut STS is designed to improve table saw safety and accuracy. Built from durable 304 stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Its angled rollers push the workpiece firmly against the fence. That helps create straighter, cleaner cuts with better control. Built-in one-way roller bearings help reduce kickback risk. Downward spring pressure keeps the material stable on the tabletop. The quick lock handle makes adjustments fast and simple. Its universal design fits most table saw fences. Supports boards up to 2.5 inches thick. A smart upgrade for professionals and DIY woodworkers who want safer, more consistent results. Number 7. BORA Centipede. BORA Centipede Portable Workbench. A full workshop. Anywhere you go. The BORA Centipede Portable Workbench is built for serious DIY and construction projects. Its unique steel frame design uses 15 heavy-duty steel struts for strength and stability, strong enough to support power tools, saws, and large workpieces. It sets up in seconds with no tools required. When the job is done, it folds down for easy storage. The built-in carry strap makes transportation simple, compatible with multiple accessories for cutting, assembly, and repairs. Lightweight, durable, extremely conveniently portable. A reliable workspace solution for garages, job sites, and anywhere you need extra support. Number 6. Microjig GRR-RIPPER Maximum Control. Maximum confidence. The Microjig GRR-RIPPER is a safety tool built for precise woodworking, designed for table saws, router tables, and bandsaws. It applies downward, inward, and forward pressure at the same time, helping reduce kickback and improve cutting accuracy. The Safe Rip Kit adds extra protection from blade contact. A built-in blade guard keeps your hands farther from the cutting area. The adjustable spacer handles narrow boards and detailed cuts with ease. Its high grip material works on wood, plastic, composites, and aluminum. Safer, smarter, more controlled. A must-have upgrade for any serious woodworking setup. Number 5. RYOBI Angle Grinder Power meets precision. RYOBI Angle Grinder is designed for cutting, grinding, and shaping hard materials. It has speeds of up to 9,200 revolutions per minute with its 18-volt brushless motor. Ideal for metal cutting, smoothing welds, rust removal, and stone or concrete shaping. It accommodates standard size cutting and grinding discs of 125 millimeters. The Fixtech nut allows fast, tool-free disc changes. An adjustable guard adds extra protection during use. Built-in kickback protection, soft start, and line lockout improve safety and control. The ergonomic paddle switch and 3-position handle provide better comfort. Powerful, reliable, ready for demanding workshop projects. Number 4. Makita Plunge Saw Clean Cuts. Easy control. The Makita Plunge saw is designed for precision and ease in cutting wood. Its brushless motor offers high and stable power output. For various materials, try the range from 2,500 to 4,900 revolutions per minute. The 6-inch blade is a fast and effortless blade for deep cuts through wood. It can cut up to 56 millimeters at 90 degrees and 40 millimeters at 45 degrees. Special scoring features reduce chipping and rough edges, ideal for use on plywood, veneer, and melamine. It also allows for simple and quick depth adjustment and blade changes. With dust extraction support, it keeps your workspace cleaner. A reliable choice for cabinets, furniture, and precision DIY projects. Number 3. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 PRO. Build stronger projects, work faster. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro makes strong wood joints easier than ever. It comes with the one-motion clamping that automatically secures the workpiece. No complicated setup, no wasted time. The included docking station turns it into a complete benchtop workstation. It adds extra support, a material stop, and storage space. Grip max pads keep the jig stable while working. Metal reinforced construction ensures its long-lasting strength. Contains 160 pocket hole screws and a starter project blueprint. Ideal for projects such as furniture, cabinets, and woodwork. Number 2. Festool Domino DF500 Joiner Strong Joints. Faster woodworking. The Festool Domino DF500 is a professional tool for creating precise wood joints. It cuts clean mortises for strong and reliable connections. Works with 4 millimeters to 10 millimeters domino tenons. Perfect for cabinets, furniture, doors, and custom builds. Adjust the width and depth to create tight or flexible joints with ease. The height scale, angle fence, and alignment pins help you get perfect positioning. Quick cutter changes make the workflow faster. Extra accessories improve accuracy for repeated cuts and smaller pieces. Efficient dust extraction keeps your workspace cleaner. It's a powerful choice for woodworkers who need speed, strength, and precision. Number 1. Shaper Origin Handheld CNC Router CNC Power Handheld Freedom. The Shaper Origin brings digital precision to everyday woodworking. It works like a handheld CNC router with smart tracking technology. A built-in camera and marker system help guide every cut with extreme accuracy. You control the tool by hand, while it makes real-time adjustments automatically. The touchscreen lets you create designs directly or import digital files. No complicated programming needed. Perfect for furniture, cabinets, inlays, joinery, and hardware installation. Built-in safety features help protect your work if you move off the cutting path. Smart, precise, easy to use. A powerful upgrade for modern woodworkers. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.